Hello everyone, this is Prajwol from Prajwol Graphics TV, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make text pop-up animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's going to be quick, simple and very useful tutorial in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's dive in and let's begin to make a quick text pop-up animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's dive in next. So now I have imported this video clips which is from access.com. I want to make a quick pop-up animation text effect in this Premiere Pro. So initially let's begin with typing the text. So I want to type with caps lock. Let's see text pop up. I want to make a bold font. I want to use a bold font in this case. So for this, you can take any font as per your wish. I'm good with this font. Text pop up, yeah. I want to put this just about the right side or right hand side. Text pop up, you can even change the color of the text. You can change the color just about. Black is also okay. I know such boundaries, but the thing is it needs to look good. So okay, text pop up. Now after this, I want to scroll down and I want to go to the transform. But make sure your text is selected. Now move your mouse cursor, move your cursor, playhead. From here you want to animate. So okay, let's create a keyframe. I want to give 0 the scale and just press shift and right arrow to move 5 frames away. So now I want the scale to be 1 to 5. Yeah. But the thing is, the text position is just above the frame, so we don't want definitely. So I just want to make it nearly about. In this position, I think it will be okay. Now, from here, just repeat the process again. Press shift and the right arrow. And decrease the scale up to 95. Now repeat the process of moving the playhead by pressing the shift and right arrow key. So yeah, and just simply make the scale up to 100. So now let's see the result so far. Text pop up. Text is popping up. Look at this. Now the thing is, I want to make it more realistic, a more smooth animation. So, and the basic, yeah, Bezier. Okay. Now, if you want to reverse this animation, put the playhead in the position which you want to reverse this animation. So yeah. Now again, so I put in the playhead here. Now after this, just press the button for the animation key, frame button, and the scale should be 100. for this. So the last point of first animation and the first point of this reverse text animation will be same. So repeat the moving steps for the keyframes once again by pressing shift and right arrow key. Yeah. I want to make the scale 95. Yeah. Again press shift and right arrow key and make the scale 1, 2 and 5, 125. Now repeat the steps again by pressing shift and the right arrow key. Yeah. And decrease the scale up to 0. Yeah. Now, yeah. Zoom it a bit. Right arrow key by 0. Now, let's see the output so far. I think it's too late. This will be okay. Yeah, now I think you might have noticed that text is popping up and popping away, not from the center. So this is the anchor point, and just drag the anchor point towards the center. Now you won't face that problem again, but you need to make sure that the text pop up, this one, is selected. So yeah. You can choose Bezier, continuous Bezier. You can even choose continuous Bezier. Choose Bezier, you can even choose continuous Bezier. It will smoothen up your animation. Continuous Bezier. Continuous Bezier. So yeah, it will smoothen up your text animation, pop-up text animation nicely. Let's see the results so far. Yeah, pop-up animation. It's the text pop-up animation. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you found this quick text animation useful. So this is the process to make a simple and quick text pop-up animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, I hope you found this text review pop-up animation in Adobe Premiere Pro very useful. So it can be used in your project very well, and it's a very cool looking text pop-up animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I hope you found this tutorial useful. So if you found this useful, then please support me. Please subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to comment as well. And I'll see you in the next video very soon. So until then, be creative and not waste the time. So